Sherway Garden. There is a saying that never give up. Even you receive like 1,000 of negative comment, just never give up, and just do what you love doing. And I think this is my thought and my say, and hopefully this works for you guys as well. And I think, you know, like, life is beautiful if we know how to just bring the life straight, and as long as it is not in a wrong way, just do what you love doing. I just came to Sephora again, Sherway Garden, and it is chilly. If you're gonna stay like outside a little bit extra, then it's gonna be cold, because I have just a little sweater without jacket. John has a little project to do in his man cave, which what we call man cave here. So he is trying to remove our fireplace that we had, and then he is putting up one that installed in the wall. So I'll show you exactly what he's doing. What's up, everyone? Another day, and like, I woke up in the morning, and I am so happy when I don't have to go to work. I'm just gonna stay home, and this is what I love. But living in abroad, you need to work. If you don't work, you can't live. So John is already downstairs. He is doing a project in his man cave, which here we most likely they call it a man cave. I didn't even know what was a man cave before until I met John, because in Mauritius, I don't think we know. I've never heard anybody say man cave. So I don't know if you guys know about man cave. Like, just let me know in the comment. Maybe I didn't know, because I have been I left Mauritius like long time. So all the history I have written in my cookbook that is coming out, I don't know exactly when. I will let you guys know. But yes, all the story is all in the book, so written. So you guys can check it out later. So yeah, he's getting ready. He's painting. He's like, I'm gonna take this camera downstairs and show you guys actually his project, what he's doing. This is a month of my birthday, and this is what I pick as a gift from Sephora. So if you're a beauty insider, then yeah, you got a gift any month of your birthday. Like, doesn't matter the date, just the months come and you can pick a birthday gift. And this is what I got for my birthday gift. And also I received this sample from Fresh. I never try on yet, but I will definitely try. I just received this by mail. This was $28 with the 20% off discount. I paid $22 for that, and I think this is a big deal for me. So you get a small 15 ml Daily Greens moisturizer. It's a gel moisturizer, and it's all vegan. You don't have to worry about animal ingredient in it. And also the pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. So I'm excited to try this line, guys. I never tried it yet, but I'll let you guys know how this feels on the skin. I'm feeling cold today in the house. Even the heat is on. So the heat was not working this morning. I don't know what happened. So John fixed it already, but now it's taking time to go up. But I changed to a sweatshirt because I'm feeling cold. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already getting hungry. All I had this morning is a cup of coffee. I didn't even had a cup of hot water. I usually, before my coffee, I like to have a cup of hot water. Not really hot, but like just warm enough for you to swallow. And it's just, what it does is whatever you eat at night is just clean your inside. So let's say you put oil in a bowl and then you want to cleanse the bowl. So if you add some hot water in it, the oil melted. So this is how I look at it. Nobody told me that. I'm not a nutritionist. I am not I'm nobody. I'm just a simple person. So, but I just feel like I have been doing it for over 10 years, every night and every morning. So every night just before bed, I like to have a cup of warm water. So whatever I eat all day, it just clean my inside, and it's just like, like I feel like it clean the oils of fat and the oils that you eat from the food. And also in the morning before my coffee, I do like to have a cup of warm water, and it just clean whatever you had at night. So this is how I look at it. So I think you should like just follow that, and you will see the result, and you will be happy with the result as well. Because I tell everybody, just have a cup of warm water, hot water, warm water, like whatever you can swallow. Not too hot. Too hot is not too good. So I'm gonna go downstairs in the kitchen. I'm gonna start making some food, some breakfast, probably a little bit extra for the person that is coming to help John. The contractor that is our friend. So, but before I make breakfast, I'm gonna go to John. Man, some sun was coming out, and the sun ran away again. Look at the sky, so dark. Just finished breakfast, so I made some buttermilk biscuit, and then some egg. That was so good and so filling. I just had like one of them and just one plain, one with egg, one with plain, and I give John some. He's eating downstairs, watching soccer, World Cup. I got this coat online, and I need to iron it. Came in the box, and this coat was like way too long on me, so I cut it and hem it. So now it is like a 3/4 size. I like the color. It's just like it need a good iron. So yeah, I hem it pretty much like 1.5 inch. It was that long. So it's a very nice pretty coat, but it's not good for like winter type. But yes, it's good for like fall and spring, and I'm still gonna wear it. If I'm wearing like a sweater and then on top of that a big jacket, I can't drive. Absolutely not. So then a little teeny tiny material like this, but it feels warm anyway. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing all the time, all winter long. This type of like coat, nothing bigger. I have few, which is a short length one, and those one are comfortable because they you don't sit on it, so like moving the arm is like better. So it's a very nice coat. I like it. Another piece I got again online, and this one is also teeny tiny material. There's no fur inside. It is just light and for spring and fall. I don't have any coat in this color, so when I saw that, I say yes, I need one of this matching. It goes well with a nice black tights, legging, and nice black top inside. I think it just goes like really well. Hopefully I don't feel cold outside. I'm wearing this coat right now inside with a high neck sweater, which I got like I think last year. So I'm in the main floor. I don't have a mirror, so when I get to Walmart, we're going to Walmart and a few stores, so if I have a long mirror there, obviously I'm gonna have a long mirror there, and then I'll show you the coat how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. I tie it up, put the button up, and having the boot, so not feeling too cold. I'm in Solar with coffee cup. I can buy all of them, but there's no space anymore. Like, look at how cute is this one. Love bug. They're so cute. Like you have probably saw me using this one. I already have that one. Home, it's a place where love grows. I like to say. We are at the gas station.
So
waiting,
much fun.
waiting on the lineup, and the truck came to fill the underground. What did you tell them?
Come to hook up the pipe right to the car.
So the truck is filling the ground right now, and he has, oh goodness, he's telling them to hook the what? The pipe?
Right to the car.
Straight to the car. Like, are you serious?
Yeah? Why not?
What is the sound that you're doing? You were just making sound. Can you do it again?
Why is that light in my eyes,
You're
bro?
bored, right? This is called iPhone.
This is called blinding people. What the hell is? Shut that off.
So we just got a coffee. He got a large. I got
I need my
just
sunglasses.
medium.
Jeez.
I'm still waiting on the line to fill up the tank. So it is 7:15 p.m. right now, and I'm getting tired right now. I just want to go home, but we are both very hungry. So normally Saturdays we don't eat at home. You know, we try to just support our local restaurant. And so John went to Laziz right now buying food, waiting for him. He's so hungry. He say he's starving, like not really hungry. And hopefully it doesn't take long inside. There's not too much lineup or anything, and it doesn't take long to make the food. Bright light again.
Yeah, can we just eat some?
Yeah, I know you are hungry.
I'm starving today.
I got Laziz on the stick.
I got
Yum, yum, yum. Look how spicy. What did you get?
Salad.
Oh, Liz, this is 3-line. You're such a kiddo.
I'm scared of sauce. I'm already drooling.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
I don't think I'm gonna eat all of that. I'm gonna give the rest to John. So spicy. So good. Few of the fries. John went outside to throw the garbage. You look so tired. Look at you. You wanna go to bed? No? Okay.
It's too early.
Okay, so it's movie time. We came home, shower, change, and now we're gonna watch some movie a little bit. Mr. John is tired. And this is how Saturday goes. Until next time, bye-bye.